Are you grappling with the hassle of manual inventory tracking and spreadsheet chaos? Imagine a world where you can effortlessly manage your inventory, orders, clients, and invoices. Well, that world is here with the Google Sheet Inventory Tracker. This all-in-one solution is equipped with a materials inventory feature that allows you to keep track of your products with remarkable ease. No more fumbling through endless lists. But there's more. With the order tracking function, you can efficiently monitor incoming and outgoing orders, track order status, and manage order fulfillment. The client list feature allows you to maintain a comprehensive client database. From contact information to order history and client preferences, you can now offer a personalized service like never before. And let's not forget about the invoice data and invoice template features. Seamlessly generate invoices by pulling data from your inventory, orders, and client list. Plus, customize professional invoices with your branding and payment details, all within Google Sheets. So why do you need the Google Sheet Inventory Tracker? Firstly, it's about efficiency and accuracy. Bid farewell to manual data entry and spreadsheet errors. Secondly, it streamlines operations, simplifying your workflow for integrated inventory, orders, clients, and invoices. And it's a cost-effective solution, saving you money on expensive inventory management software. Who can benefit from this? E-commerce sellers, small business owners, and freelancers, anyone who wants to manage their operations with ease and professionalism. Now, are you ready to take control of your inventory? Don't let inventory management overwhelm you. Invest in the Google Sheet Inventory Tracker today. Take the first step towards streamlined and efficient operations for your business. Click Add to Cart now and revolutionize your inventory management with the Google Sheet Inventory Tracker.